A large deck like this needs an equally large amount of shade. I could use a fixed structure or market umbrellas, but they're going to obstruct the view. So here's how I can get some shade while keeping the feeling of space. A retractable folding arm awning can be made to measure to suit large or small areas. With the touch of a button, they can extend or fold back onto the wall, looking very sleek and discreet. There are over 100 fabric choices, everything from solid colours to stripes, textures and patterns, if you want to make a real statement. Here, I've gone for a grey and white stripe to tie in with the paint colours on the back of the house. A solid grey fabric would have made the area too dark because of the dark timber decking. So the stripes add some brightness and visual interest to the area. The stripes let me tie in my planting too, because I've used grey and white pots that carry on the colour scheme. So now we've got the perfect entertaining area that can be used all year round.